Welcome back to Homework Help with Miss Gore. Today we're going to be talking about our Unit 7, Day 1 homework. We're talking about geometric sequences. So I first want to determine whether or not a sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So I'm looking for a pattern. And if I can, I want to try to find the common difference or the common ratio. So I'm going to take a look at number 1, and I want to try to figure out how am I changing to go from 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12. Well, to get from 3 to 6, I'm adding 3. 6 to 9, I'm adding 3. 9 to 12, I'm adding 3. That is what's going to give me an arithmetic sequence. And if it's an arithmetic sequence, my common difference is 3. If I take a look at question 4, I'm again looking for a pattern. How do I get from -5 to -15 to -45 to -135 to -405? Well, I'm multiplying by 3, multiplying by 3 each one of those times, which tells me that I have a geometric sequence. And in my geometric sequence, then, my common ratio is 3. Moving on to number 5. Number 5, again, I'm trying to determine the type of sequence that is given. So if I want to write the first 5 terms of the sequence, I first want my a sub 1. So a sub 1, -2 times 3 to the 1. So multiply that together, and I'm going to get -6. A sub 2, -2 times 3 to the second power. So my a sub 2 value is -18. My a sub 3, -2 times 3 to the third power. So again, just keep plugging your n value in, evaluating, I get -54. My a sub 4, again, plugging 4 in for my n value, evaluating, my a sub 4 is -162. I want 5 terms, so I need my a sub 5. My a sub 5 value, -2 times 3 to the 5th. A sub 5, I'm going to get -486. So my sequence altogether, I'm going to use my set notation with my squiggly brackets. -6, -18, -54, -162, -486, and with my set notation. And now I want to determine what type of sequence I have. So if I take a look at my pattern going from -6 to -18, and if I want to try to find if there's a common difference or a common ratio, well, I subtracted 12 or multiplied by 3. So now I want to look at my next pattern. Well, did I subtract 12 again? No, I actually multiplied by 3 again. So this is a geometric sequence. And since I am multiplying by 3, I know that my common ratio is 3. Looking back at my equation, since my base there is 3, I know that that's my common multiplier. Okay, let's try one review problem. I will set the problem up for you, and then you will need to finish this one on your own. So Jill has 4 more dimes than nickels. The value of the coins is $1.90. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a little graphic organizer where we have our coins. Oops, I'm going to erase that. Where we have our coins. We have our number of coins. And we have our value. So we know that we have dimes and we have nickels. It says that I have 4 more dimes than nickels. So I'm going to refer to my nickels as n and my dimes n plus 4. Now, since this is money, I do need to worry about the value. So I'm going to consider that a dime is worth 10 cents. So 10 times the quantity of coins. Nickels 5, again, times the quantity of coins. Hopefully that'll kickstart you so you can finish this problem, and I will see you in class soon.